Are you thinking about buying or selling a home in Ottawa? You've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Franco Ippolito, and on my channel, I'll share real insights, tips, and strategies to help homeowners get top dollars and buyers avoid costly mistakes so you can move forward with confidence. Whether you're trying to figure out when to sell, how to boost your home value, and how to stand out in a competitive market, my videos are designed to give you the edge. From smart pricing strategies to staging tips and renovation advice, I'll walk you through what really works in today's market. If you're a buyer, you'll learn how to navigate the pre-approvals, possible bidding war strategies, neighborhood choices, and the things no one tells you about home inspections and appraisals. I'll show you what to look for and what to avoid. Not long ago, a young family came to me for help after losing out on 2 offers. With the right strategy, we secured a home fast and without overpaying. I have also helped sellers maximize their home value by focusing on small, smart upgrades and staging that made a big impact on their final price. So, if you want the straight talk, proven tips, and local market knowledge you can trust, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay on top of the market and see more of my tips and tricks. Let's make your next move the smartest one, because Ottawa moves with Franco.